All right, we back with the morning videos. I think because the market's going to get more interesting, I'll probably bring these videos back. We'll see if they start pinning the market again. I'm just going to go on a vacation or something. But as of right now, for the next like week or so, I don't think pinning is the play anymore. I think you're going to see a lot of huge mean reversion and big swings, but we got to know our levels and we got to know our ranges and so that's what we're going to look at today. And here's the thing, today's picture is very interesting. Huge gap down on a Monday. The only volatility trigger in the next 22 expiries, and in fact in the next 98 days to expiry, which would be like the next quarter's worth of expiries, is only 4,000. That's the only thing sitting between us and limit down one, which is, you know, that's a little far fetched. Here's the expected range for today, which is really 40.97 and 40.56. This was the expected range low coming into today, so we're extremely overbought here. I'm sure everybody's RSI and MACD and whatever is all showing overbought signals pretty much on probably every time frame. I don't look at that stuff on a regular basis, but I would say that this is probably some sort of uh, you know positive, bullish divergence that's setting up here into this 4,000. There's obviously gamma levels in between here. So I wouldn't say like, hey, we break 4,000, it's instantly limit down. But, 4,000 is just essentially the last stand of the next 22 expiries. That's going into the end of October. So for SPX anyways. And these are SPX levels onto the futures chart, which, lately they've been pretty much mirroring each other. So SPX is going to open up with a huge gap down. I'm guessing there's going to be some sort of mean reversion just to be on the reasonable side. You know, bearish Victor wants to see limit down because we're about set up for that as good as you can get. So I'm going to be on the lookout for maybe some one-off event here. Given that this is going to be the first month of tightening. So are they going to start pricing that in now? Or have they already priced it in? I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to play for the mean reversion at first. I'm going to play for maybe a 4,000 test at open. Just as like a quick flush, kind of take all the stops out here. And because there's probably a lot of stops sitting in this area, I'm guessing. And maybe even down to here or something like that. Taking out stops from here. I'm guessing flush there, kind of panic everybody here, tag that 4,000, which is a huge gamma level, and then who knows, maybe it sits there for like 5-10 minutes, and then my guess is you probably see a huge ripper. At 40.60 is the big gamma level for tomorrow. With the updated OI, that aligns with the expected low of the day. And that aligns with basically the bottom of this vol profile. So you definitely could see 40.60 today, and then if it breaks above, the next level up would be 40.90 for a high. This would probably be the next short opportunity, somewhere around 4100. There's a virgin point of control sitting there too, so the market likes to mean revert to those as well. So I'd be looking to get long. I'm not going to play anything in the pre-market, but just because I know that the opening flush is really or the opening moves is really sort of set up to take out stops. So who knows, they might do a big chop here where they kind of take out both sides, and then you'll get your move. So I'm going to wait for the initial balance around 9:30. If I miss a lot of the move, that's going to be okay. I really, personally, at least when I'm doing challenge accounts, I really, it's best to focus on just taking like 10, 15 points, the easy 10, 15 points, and calling it a day, not trying to catch the whole entire move. And then on the options account for myself, I'm just going to be watching the unusual whales flow. Just be watching this flow alerts chart. There's actually a super flow set up now where you can set your regular flow. This is just going to be the entire market's worth of flow, and then your flow alerts, and you can set your filters up right here, your premium range, your spot range, all that stuff. So check that out. as well. And hopefully this helps you guys. Peace.